Hello everyone and welcome in this video where we're going to be talking about teamwork action automation for workflows, a tool from our workflow apps that's going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your teamwork account. So how do we set it up? First off, inside your sub account, come down here at the app marketplace and then you search for the app teamwork, allow and install. You have some information required like the client ID and the client secret. But before we go any further though, you have some smart cues here that's going to help you get all those keys. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our teamwork platform. We come down here, settings, at site URL, we copy the URL of teamwork of the platform, and then we open a new tab where we're gonna paste it and then add developer. There you go. So you come here and you fill this form. Let's say, for example, you can also fill all those. Yeah, we come down here and we type our email address and we continue. And you go and create app. Down here and create your first app. You type your app name, my app, for example. You come down here at teamwork, and then you have to paste the redirect URL. How do you get it? You just have to switch to your sub account. On the app, you copy this redirect URL, you make sure it's copied, you switch it back, you paste it, make sure you remove this and you create. So come here on my app, you go on credentials and you have your credentials here. You have the client ID and the client secret. So let's copy, paste, we go back, we copy the client secret, we paste, we continue, choose the plan, complete installation. Of course, you open a new window where you have to copy the new redirect URL and paste it inside your platform. So let's copy, we switch back, we come down here, paste the new one, we saved, and we're done here. So now we have on install, which means that our tool is already connected to our teamwork account and we're now ready to execute actions directly from our workflow for our teamwork account. So, guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's available 24/7. So, thank you for watching this video, guys.